Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Jones and welcome to the front yard of my garden. So today we just got an advisory for a hurricane in Florida and me being, you know, thinking about the garden ahead of time, I need to pick as many of the fruits that are ripe before the storm comes. Otherwise, I'll lose all of them. So today we've got elderberries that we're going to pick. Yeah. Elderberries are packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, lots of antioxidants. They're really good for inflammation, and a lot of people use them to prevent flus and colds and shorten the life of their cold if they already have one. And all around, it's good for energy and good health of your skin. It's supposed to be one of those super fruits. The thing about elderberries, there are a lot of varieties, but most of them are toxic if you eat them raw. So you're supposed to cook them, boil them. You can put them in pies. You can make elderberry juice. You can make ice cream or syrup. And today I am going to try for the first time to make elderberry syrup, which I'm going to use for, once a day daily drops. So if you look carefully here, you'll see the elderberries are these nice little clusters. They're really, really tiny clusters of black to maroon fruit. They start out like these white flowers. Very pretty, tiny little flowers. So we got a close up there. And then they've got different shades of maroon. And then they get really black. So we've got quite a few bunches on here. There's still some that are green. I'm going to try to pick as many of the maroon to black ones as possible. And then I'm going to try to make elderberry syrup for the first time. All right. So I've got my gloves on because these can stain your fingers. They can stain your clothes. So we have to be really careful and definitely not going to ingest them because they can be toxic. All right. My first time picking elderberries. This is exciting. Here we go. I've been told that you can freeze them and that makes it a little bit easier to shake off of the bunch, but you can also do it fresh and use a fork. So when we get into the kitchen, we'll go through some different methods of getting that off of the bunch. This is a nice big bunch. Look at that, so pretty. It almost makes you want to eat them because it's such a beautiful fruit, but that would be a mistake. It's been raining off and on all day, so I'm covered with raindrops from the tree. Okay, so here is our first elderberry harvest. I'm so impressed, and I can't wait to see what we can do with this. All right, next video will be in the kitchen.